Another day, another Grogu unboxing.
Just a bit of Texie dust.
Now, this particular toy, I have no idea what it retail prices for. I found it at one of those return packages, big lot, Crazy Deals is the name of it down here, where you get all the Amazon returns. And I paid, I think it was $5 a day when I got this. And it was still there because I think people thought pieces were missing. But the box was kind of tore open and so they let you open boxes there if you go to the desk at the back. And I found all the pieces in the box. So I grabbed it up. And there's the little instructions. So we'll grab these pieces out. So I kind of figure for like $5 is a pretty good deal. I do love my Grogu toys. Should probably have scissors for this. Be right back. My old cruddy cutting scissors. Because I don't use my good crafty ones. There we go. Down here. Does this just pull out? Of course not. Messiest unboxing video. Boom. So now we have the ship. All right. Whoa. It fires. They made a firing toy again. I didn't know they were going to do that after the whole Boba Fett incident. He had a firing missile on the original toy and it got recalled because kids ate the missiles. Anyway, don't know what that is. We're definitely going to need oh, that must be the tip, Laura. Yes, it is. There we are. We have Grogu's little spot back here. There we go. It's kind of hard to tell if those are in there just right. I think they are now. There we go. Now we have this one. This one just comes right down, huh? No hinges, just pops in there. Ah, yes, just pops in there, literally. And then we load up the back. And we look at the instructions. Ah, the little firing pegs. Right here. Boom. Boom. That's cool. Put those back in there. Looks like we've done everything we needed to do, so we don't need the instructions anymore. But we do need our little figures out of the box. By unboxing, I meant watch me rip stuff open. The Mandalorian, the only hero with a cape. After the Incredibles, huh? Alrighty, and it looks like you can just take the cape off and put the jetpack in if that's what you want. Huh? And then put it over his shoulder in front. Okay. I bet you guys would like a close-up, huh? Don't think the little guy really fits. There we go. I just had to do it the right way. Pretty fun little looking toy. But I do think in the new movie they're going to end up with a Razor Crest again. At least that's what the trailer made it look like, right? I do love my Grogu collectibles. Till next time.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!